Okay, this should be interesting. Gonna attempt to wing, and I have flown an airplane before, but it was like 4 years ago, and it was just a little micro trainer that didn't even have ailerons. So, yeah. Well, this doesn't have a rudder, so but it does have ailerons, so I guess that balances out. Should be interesting. Take two. I got nervous. I chopped throttle. Third time's a charm. Something's weird. It's probably me. The other way? All right. I suck at wings. I gotta figure something out. Something's wrong. Okay. I got the issue sorted out. I'm in a different field. Earlier it was at lunch. Now it's after work. The problem was my controls were reversed. So elevator was fine. Aileron was opposite. So that ended in a bunch of crashes. But I got that sorted out, and now I think we're good to go. Let's try that again. I keep forgetting this thing has no rudder. And also that you can't just stop it when you need to compose yourself like you can a heli. So, all right, let's give this another go. It does seem to be flying okay. So I fixed the mechanical issues, but I've yet to fix the pilot issues. That's right, I'll get it. All right, running out of battery, camera battery, but I think we got it. We're getting closer. Max, that's for you, buddy.